Physiotherapy refers to the treatment of injury or physical dysfunction using a variety of non-surgical techniques, which may include manual therapies such as massage, soft tissue mobilization and stretching, and electrotherapies such as laser and ultrasound, alongside prescriptive exercise to help improve, restore or enhance the body's function. The use of physiotherapy in humans by means of manual therapies and hydrotherapy has been recorded dating back to 460 BC, but in horses this has been a more recent occurrence, with the development of animal physiotherapy starting in the early 20th century in the UK. There are many facets to equine physiotherapy, including rehabilitation after injury or veterinary intervention, which aims to improve the speed and success of the horse's recovery, to exercise prescription to help improve a horse's muscular quality or influence their strength and conditioning to improve their performance. To do this, a chartered veterinary or equine physiotherapist will take a detailed clinical history of the horse to assess their current performance and identify any problems that may have arisen due to injury, management or workload. They will then perform a dynamic assessment, watching the horse at walk and trot in hand in straight lines, walk, trot and canter on the lunge, and then, if appropriate, under saddle, which may include jumping to assess the horse's movement pattern, identify restrictions in joint motion or to observe problems that the rider may be experiencing. After the dynamic assessment, the equine physiotherapist will conduct a static assessment, looking at the horse's posture and how this correlates with their movement, before palpating the horse's soft tissues, looking for areas of muscular tension or reactivity. Both static and dynamic assessments build a picture of where the horse is currently at and how improvements can be made to help enhance their performance. As the therapist assesses the horse, they'll be devising a treatment plan. This will include a plan for the session, specifically which modalities they might use, justified with clinical reasoning to ensure best practice. An exercise regime containing exercises designed to rehabilitate the horse from injury or support a horse and rider combination with competitive goals will be prescribed. The rehabilitation plan is a dynamic schedule which eventually leads to the horse fulfilling their maximum potential, whether that's hacking or elite competition. At all times, the horse's well-being is at the forefront of the process. The equine physiotherapist is directed by animal welfare principles and the latest equine science research. Evidence-based practices ensure that chosen modalities and prescriptive exercises will positively influence the horse's well-being and performance, thus reducing the risk of further or sustained injury. The application of equine physiotherapy is a growing field within the equine industry, encouraged by the increased awareness of the relationship between a horse's physical well-being and their performance and long-term soundness. This is good news for the industry, but most importantly, will benefit the horses we ride, whether for leisure or competition.